Do you want to check search history on X Twitter? You can see your search history on X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To check search history on X account, first, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on the search icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will open the search page. Now, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. As soon as you tap on it, your recent searches will automatically appear on the screen. You will now see a list of accounts, hashtags, and keywords you recently searched for. Scroll through the list to view your full search history. If you want to search again, tap on any item from the list. X will open that search instantly. Once done, you can tap on the back icon to exit the search history screen.